when you open a game.
Yeah, right.
I guess it's a good thing that it's a sleeper hit.
This is true. This is true.
Let's change that background. Have you done the weekly? Oh yeah, you're number 6. That's
Mhm.
right. You did do this one. Bang. Alright, that was a great start into nothing.
Yeah, I haven't done the weekly, but I will try to get a higher number. I need to like. I had some crazy thing going. I don't remember what it was though. There we go.
Well, that was a bad move on my part. Oh, I guess I'd build up speed.
I shouldn't have made that sharp of a turn.
Ah, that was bad. Shoot.
Ooh, okay. Dude, you know what needs to come out?
Dream
Mystia
Swing 2.
or whatever. Yeah, Dream Swing 2.
Mystia.
Mystia. The procedurally generated online co-op Zelda.
Yes.
I think about that so I don't think I've ever been more excited for such a small indie game. Okay.
Imagine
so
not being that
normal.
excited for Silk Song, the smallest of indie games.
Yeah. It's funny, I was like, I wonder if he's gonna say something about Silk Song. Doing pretty bad right now. Love to hear it. I just keep hitting stuff.
My routing is horrible. the amount of times I've gone across the map for a single orb.
Dude, this is bad. Holy crap. Maybe it's not as bad as I thought, but... I think it is bad, actually. I think by now I usually am close to 80. I think I'm like a whole 10 behind. That was that guy who got 5. Really big fan. No. I mean, it's not like I was gonna get 100 or anything anyways, but...
73 for mine.
Nice.
No way I didn't hit that. What a start.
Your game is not up on OBS.
No, I didn't think about that. Dang. That was
Sorry, I know
such
you
a
just
good
got what a
start. Dude, I wish... Hold on. Of course GeForce doesn't recognize it as a game. Dude, I wish you could see it. Could have seen that. Oh, maybe I can do it again. Who knows?
Turn to my gaming in a second. Okay, here we go. I did not want to watch my own replay. That was somebody else's. Oh, dude, I had such an insane start. Oh, what? There's no way I didn't jump on that.
'86. That's a new PB.
Let's go.
Whew. And I broke front
Dude.
page.
My goat. I wish I knew what my rankings would be like when people played the game.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry to bring it up at a time like that, but it reminded me of something.
No, but it's a thing of like, imagine how many. It's like Tetris, right? You didn't know how many people were that good at Tetris until Tetris 99 came out. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, everyone's actually just like good at Tetris. When did this happen?
Bro. Okay, that was
Dang.
gating me. You'd love to see him on the front page. Let's go. First blue.
Yeah. Close to Sir Yup. Dude, it's so crazy seeing, like, you said that's the dev, right?
Yeah.
It's just crazy seeing, like, 30 above the next person.
Yeah.
Hey, Baronade. Doing pretty well. Just got a new PB.
Yeah, like, their understanding of everything is just so crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I've noticed for building horizontal movement, I do have this strat now. You just basically hold the exact opposite direction of what you're doing. So if you're moving forward and to the left, you hold back and to the right, and you will just start building speed.
Will you?
That's what I've seemingly noticed. This is... Ooh, the miss. I'm waiting for the day that 200 just cracked, because I know it's possible. You just need to get a good... Like, Reapa's gotten, like, a high 180, I think.
You think it's just RNG?
Wonder if I can see their player... Orbs 160... No, this just shows this. Do I have an American flag on the menu for you? I guess we can't see.
You do.
Okay. Baronet, what do you think about carpetless being discovered? Other than just it being mind-blowing.
This really is a crazy time we live in.
I low-key, I put this up there with like barrier skip.
I would say so,
Like,
yeah.
It's that like impossibly monumental.
Mhm.
Like it will never happen, right?
Like
Except
the
this one crazy theory that doesn't work unless you're like absolutely tasked. And it's like, oh, but we can actually do it RTA now, and it was kind of simple.
Yeah. Yeah, it really was kind of like the last straw of Mario 64. You know?
Yeah, it's
like all glitches have been doable except this one thing that's been theorized, but you know.
it was so much better when your kunai glows.
Yeah.
Sorry to flex.
I mean, mine's on fire. I've got that.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, mine's not. Yours is the fire. Mine just glows.
What is that? Sorry, that's what I meant by that. Anyways, I started doing terrible all of a sudden. Really, honestly, good for my brand. Dude, what the heck? Can you give? Okay, there you go. Can you give? New sentence.
No way that was a 79. That sucked.
Improvement arc. I need to. Okay, I'll probably watch yours out here, and then I'm gonna quit playing. There, watch 10 replays in total. Nice.
Interesting that that's one of the stats that's tracked.
Yeah, honestly.
Really? Dang. God, I hate these ones. Why was it doing that?
What is your mouse sense?
No idea.
You are like jittering a bunch.
Am I?
I feel like my gameplay does not look like yours.
Man, if I didn't die, that could have been a really good one. I mean, I'm like not very familiar with like mouse aiming. Like it is.
Like I'm real majestic. My freaking my arm be like all look. It's like I'm washing a plate. You know what I mean?
That's the analogy.
When you're playing Dream Swing, you just gotta wash the plate, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good stream. I
Yeah.
enjoyed Lakers basketball. The other map is cool. It's just it's a lot of like fetch, and I was like,
Mhm.
where's like the zombie thing, the challenge where you have to like shoot something or do something with like a
Yeah.
yeah.
Give me a soul box even. Like I'll take a soul
Yeah.
box over having to run around.
Yeah, like exactly. Like I'm not the biggest fan of soul boxes either, but at least it's like something different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the thing where it's just like, okay, you can only do one step per round is dumb.
Yeah. Um. Yeah.
Yeah, more of video gaming. Tulios, thank you for the raid.
Do you want me to reboot up Stream Swing and do like a run?
If you could, yeah. Let's
Yeah.
do a little more Dream Swing. We were getting close to ending. Hope Sumo today was going well. I've been trying to catch up on the VODs. I'm very behind for this Basho.
Right. I'm getting like 500 right now.
500, dang.
Really. Changing the meta. Literally.
It's me missing everything. Dude, I suck at hitting anything at this speed.
Watch the plate, meta. Watch the plate. I know that has nothing to do with the speed, really, but
I'm trying to wash the plate. Ooh, I didn't think I was catching
I had
myself.
such a good run with like 13 before I lost speed. That one time.
Yeah, this is a really good start for speed.
Gosh. So I have to get like a genuinely really good start for me to like actually be able to PB at my current skill level, I think.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm restarting a whole bunch.
No, Terry, I decided not to join the fantasy sumo because I wasn't. I think when I saw it, I was already like I hadn't been able to catch up on the VODs yet, and so I was like, I don't know, I won't be able to like look at the results at all, so I didn't want to join it this time around. Maybe next time. Hopefully that's going well. So I saw quite a few of you are in that. Especially with no spoilers, is there already a clear winner on the fantasy? Or is it up to the final day?
Dude, I am moving my head so much.
I'm not washing the plate.
No. You know, dude, man.
My plate is dirty here.
I said head, not hand, but if you're wondering, but even then, you still gotta wash the plate regardless of what I'm doing.
Nordal's in the lead. Ooh. Good to know that everything can still change. It's what you like to hear on a fantasy thing going into the last day.
I've never done a fantasy league for something, and I feel like I'm missing out. But I just don't. I don't follow anything.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
I need like fantasy smash. Like that's all I could ever do.
I did fantasy football one year, and
See, everybody
Gotta-
does that.
see-
like
see,
they do
I
that.
don't-
Like I'm the only person at my work that doesn't do it, and they're like, "Are you sure you don't want to add it?" I'm like, I wouldn't know anything.
oh, I didn't like. I mean, I know how football works. I know like some popular names and like good players, but
Dude,
it's like I don't know.
one football player. Freaking Ben Roethlisberger, because he's on the Pittsburgh Steelers, or he was. I don't know where he's at. Dude, I got no clue.
I think at one point I had Brett Favre on my team. It's pretty good.
Sounds like a goat. Oh, Tom Brady. I know that guy.
Tom Brady, yeah, that's a name. It's crazy how news almost
a name.
You typically only know quarterback names.
That's true.
Though
Yeah.
I don't think Roethlisberger was a quarterback. I can't. I don't
Give
think
me
he
the
was.
orb. Oh my gosh, they're trolling me.
Oh, maintain the speed. I can do it. I can do it. Nope. I think I just killed it. Bro. That plate was getting washed for a second there. 72, yeah, it was pretty bad.
Dude, the plate was getting washed. Let's freaking go. Finally. Dishes are getting done today.
Picked on looks alone. That's pretty funny. Defense, but no quarterback. How do you pick? Oh, man. I guess it's the thing where it's like if you don't know the sport, you don't realize that that wouldn't be a normal thing. And if you're not picking to win, I guess.
Holy crap, do my plate right now. That wasn't worth it. I should have just kept going.
Oh, the orb lineup.
Give me another one.
Dang.
Ah. Thank goodness I had more time left that time.
Let me tackle chaos. What are
I'll go
the?
for one more of this. And
I assume there's only one page of this. Yeah.
yeah,
One
that
page
was-
for chaos.
as hyped as I was for a new map, it's honestly not that great.
It's like a cool concept.
Yeah. But it just doesn't. I don't see there ever being a better map than this because of the way that the game is structured, really. But
I think chaos is a great training map for like getting slightly better. But then again, like some of that isn't great training because everything could be small. But it does seem like chaos itself, the map is randomized each time. So like not only is it randomized orbs, it's random objects.
oh, okay.
Ah. Yeah, look at that. I just couldn't find anything to grab. Yeah, I think the main thing that Chaos can help with is not relying on pull.
Yeah, maybe. There's still weird like techniques you have to develop to like gain speed though, so that it is better to not rely on pull. Because like for a while, even though I wasn't using pull, I wasn't getting enough speed for it to be good.
Yeah.
To not use pull.
I get what you mean. I still feel that sometimes where I'm trying not to use it, but it would just be better to cave and use it.
Yeah. Like I'm to the point now where I really, it is actually worse for me if I'm going to use it a lot. Because in almost every situation, I seem to understand whether or not it, like, I honestly think it's probably just subconscious, but I understand, how to build speed.
Mm-hmm. And you put yourself in those situations.
Yeah.
To where you can.
And if I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, that's when I will pull, but like I said, it's just a very rare occurrence, honestly. Oh no. Oh, that isn't mine.
Huh?
Oh, you're here? I'm here?
I'm here? Yeah.
Okay, maybe the stream's just buffering for me.
Oh. Okay.
My internet's good enough now that usually if it's buffering, I would just assume that something happened.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe just too much riz coming from my gameplay.
Shoot. Oh. Well, I guess falling in chaos isn't like end of the world.
I mean, chaos in and of itself is the end of the world, huh?
Yeah. Dang. 83. Pretty good for chaos. Definitely a best considering I was in the 60s, I think, with my previous chaos.
I was gonna say, I definitely didn't get that out of chaos. Oh my gosh. Yep.
What's original?
Ugh.
Chaos. Looking like 165 for the top.
Yeah, I thought I was doing like well on that one, but I guess not. Oh man.
What are we looking at for original on classic? 176.
By none other than Reap.
Yeah.
Keeping my 57 in the back pocket for sure. Man, if I don't get a new kunai. Oh wait, never mind. I do get a new kunai. At 110, okay.
What are you at on original?
57. We like to keep it that way. Yeah, I just never had an interest in
There you are.
doing it.
I can't believe I'm better than you at this video game.
Yeah, for real.
Alright. that is gonna be all for it. Hold up, wait, what was that? Oh, random zone. Thought that randomized the platforms. That'd be kind of neat. What a good game.
For real.
Resets 0. I didn't even know there was a reset button.
Dude, mine'd be like 50.
See, I usually just exit and then click play again. I guess that's not resetting. Oh, wait. Okay, so let's analyze this picture. The cover art, right? They got 100 because that's a glowing green. What's glowing red? Is that first place?
I'm assuming it's like 106.50 for the kunai.
No, 150 is pink. Pink lightning, even. 30, 140, 150. So either that's 170 or like. Because what? There's 170. Is there 160 anywhere? 160. Okay, so first place. Either first place or developer. But I think everything's always been the developer in first place. Oh, this one actually original on Chaos is the closest someone is to beating him. 3 points away. 1 point away on random. Oh, and 160. Okay, so yeah, that's a first place skin. I guess I could have seen that in this. Which also means, so this is 150 and up. And then that's first place. Or this is 140, that's 130. So 130s is when you get your lightning. Actually, hold up. Classic Weekly. How's he start? This has to be a wacky start, right? Yep.
I think it's just crazy good.
Yeah. You know what we should do one of these? We should race his 2D grapple game.
Oh. Didn't even know that existed.
Yeah, his first game was Remnants of Nazith.
Oh, okay.
I bought it, I think, but I never got around to playing it. This is just so wild. Dude, his plate is so clean.
Dude, honestly.
Oh, never mind. He just missed that orb. Dude, put that back in the sink. Even though I guess that's not what keeping the... It's not cleaning the plate. That's not what it was. Man, I wish I could... Like, I'm horrible at moving straight.
Well, sometimes you don't want to do that.
Yeah, but like... When it's just in the middle of something, and I'm already, like, my arc already has me going that direction. Like, he just kind of, like, multi-zapped his way through. Obviously, he had, like, the speed to do that. I swing with a lot bigger arcs than what he uses.
Yeah.
And I
his
think
plate, honestly, his plate's kind of dirty. I'm gonna be real. Like, he actually used a lot more jittery movements than I would think.
kind of see what you mean. Yeah, not quite smooth. Kind of like locks his eyes onto something immediately and just like quickly moves there.
Right.
Ooh, that hurt. Oh, is that what the number next to the... I didn't realize it told you, like, what the predicted score would be. Next to your seconds per orb.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Like,
I don't know if
that'll...
everybody has that on, to be fair.
Yeah, I don't... Like, if I play... Yeah? I'm already down to 89.
102 in the first second.
60. Yeah, you could just kind of like gauge throughout. Be like, all right, what would this be?
They don't know how good I am at my. Sometimes I clean dishes slower just so that the ending can be faster. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the satisfaction of getting a lot done at the end.
Yeah.
Interesting. Bro, this 63 about to go hard. All right. That's going to be all. Everybody, thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with Remnant 2 with Nerdy Dead and Positron Plays. If you're keeping up with some sumo, absolutely be ready for Tulio's tomorrow night for the final day of the Basho. Sounds like it's going to be an exciting one. And then I'll be back no later than next Saturday with whatever Blizzard and I decide to play, because we never know.
Exactly.
Could be Dream Swing, Rocket League, Black Ops 3 Zombies, Celeste mods, Super Mario 64 Extreme or 74 Extreme Edition, or the only up thing in that. Jeez, what else do we have? Splatoon.
Splatoon is right sometimes.
Yeah, there's a lot that we play. So, could be anything. Who knows? We might actually just join the Lakers next week instead of just playing on the
IRL
Zombies
stream.
map of it. Yeah. You never know. All right, everyone, have a good night.
Yeah.
Ooh.